Don't trust everything you see, hear, or read. I know that's a pretty bold thing to say. So what I mean with that is, just because you hear something from someone else, or you read something that someone believes, or there's a research on something, it doesn't mean that it's your truth. Okay? We live in a reality where there's more than one truth, and each person is different, and what is aligned to them is different. So a lot of times we give our power away to things externally. We give our authority away and our agency away to things externally because, well, it sounds right. It sounds like plausible, like there's evidence. And I'm here to tell you that the only truth is the truth that lives within you. Now, it's about building that inner strength and that trust within yourself to be able to tap into the wisdom that lives within you, the wisdom that's coming from your soul to tell you what is your truth and what is actually aligned to you. Now, just the world that we live in, we've been taught that we actually don't know what is best for us. Either we don't know what's best for us, or we're afraid to actually speak our truth and know, like, from a place of knowing what's best for us. So either way, it's time for you to shift this. Now, if you're not able to actually connect to your truth, what is actually aligned for you, it's because you have a dysregulated nervous system. It means that, when you're in that survival mode in the nervous system, you're not actually able to connect to your truth. You're not able to connect to the wisdom that's flowing through you. So the first step for you to do is for you to regulate your nervous system, get yourself more into a ventral state where you're feeling safe, because your true wisdom will flow through you. And at least getting to the place right now, if you're not regulated, to, when you receive information externally, to take it with a grain of salt, okay? Don't see it as your truth. Coming from somebody who's been very suggestible their whole life, like, I get it. Everything that you come through you doesn't have a filter on it. But it's time that we need to step into discernment for ourselves to make sure that we're connecting to what is right for us, what is aligned to our own personal values. And you are the only one that's going to know what's true for you. So in the meantime, as you're working on regulating your nervous system, it might mean that you need to turn the noise off externally. Stop listening to people. Stop reading books and listening to podcasts and videos and everything like that with other people's perspectives and truths until you're able to fully connect with yourself and know what your truth is, so that when you're hearing this information from other people that is their truth, you're able to discern and know, is this actually my truth? Instead of being completely suggestible and getting like pulled all over the world in different directions, depending on who you're listening to, it gets pretty exhausting. It's really ungrounding. It's dysregulating for your nervous system, and it will impact your mental, emotional, and physical health, okay? So step one is to start to stop just accepting everything you receive externally. 2 is to learn to regulate your nervous system. And 3 is begin to tap into that higher wisdom that lives within you. And 4, begin to discern things that you hear that are coming at you, so that you can begin to build that inner strength, that inner confidence, that trust in yourself again, and that self-belief. Okay? Good luck with that.